Let's continue. Side, 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 similarity theorem. So here what we said, if all the sides of two triangles are in proportion, then the triangles are similar. So here it says that given AB over DE is equal to AC over DF is equal to BC over EF. AB with DE, AC with DF, and BC with EF. If we have this one given, to prove that like directly again, I will write AB over DE is equal to AC over DF and BC over EF. If this one is given directly, we can write that from side, side, side theorem, triangle, I will check how it's written the proportion. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Directly, because it's given that they are in proportion, and we have the theorem that if the sides are in proportion, the triangles are similar, and we can write. In the
teacher,
yes.
can we do BC and XY?
Yeah. What you mean XY?
And BC proportional.
Look, they have shown that XY, if there is a line here, that this triangle is exactly this one. If you will take, if I can, I mean, if I will take this small triangle and to put here, it's exactly this DXY. And we show these two triangles are in proportion. Here, XY, it's same as BC.
Okay.
Now in the second one, it says use the information in the figure to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Now, from the given, we need to show that these two triangles are similar. So I need to find if the sides are in proportion. In triangle ABC, which sides we have? 10 we have, 8 we have, 12 we have, yes? 10, 8, 12, yes? In triangle DAC, what we have? 15,
12, 10, and 15.
18, and 12.
18.
Yes. Now I will try to write a proportion, a ratio to have the same. I mean, I will try to write some fractions according to the sides and to have the same ratio. Check the numbers and in which case we can find the same ratio. AB over, let's try DA. I'm writing directly how it is given, okay, to try. Then I have BC over AC, and then at the end we have AC over, which one is not written? DA, AC, DC.
But teacher, we don't have a common angle here.
We are trying to find the sides. We are not looking for the angles. Side, side,
Okay.
side. We are trying to find that all the sides are in proportion. They have the same ratio. So AB is 10. I'm writing. Here I'm checking, okay? I'm checking if they are equal to each other. Then 10 over dA is 15. Then BC is 8 and AC is 12. Then AC is 12 over DC is 18. Now, can we do any simplification here?
In the first
Yes.
one by 5.
In the first one with the 5, in the second one
With the 4.
with the 4, in the
And
with
by
With 6.
6. So what we'll get? 2 over 3, 2 over 3, and 2 over 3. Directly we found. I wrote this proportion from this one, how it was given. AB with DA, BC with AC, AC with DC, okay?
Okay.
And then we found that they are in proportion. So from SSS theorem, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. If you're writing, I can wait, or I can open a new page to check another question.
Teacher, here we don't have to find anything. We just need to prove, right?
Yes, here it says show that these two triangles are similar. So according to our theorem, it is similar.
Okay.
To wait you to write this one, or I can open you a new page while I'm checking the attendance. You can check a new question.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
it's okay.
Now here we have different examples, and it says find x, y in the first one, in the second one only x. So here you don't have to use only SSS. You will find which theorem you need to use to show that they are similar and to find the unknowns. Okay, I'm giving you time to think about it, and while I'm taking the attendance. Besan?
Here.
Here. Hamza? Mohammed Hamza? Mohammed Hamza is not, I think. Erman?
I'm here, teacher. I couldn't hear
Erman
you.
is here. Sarah?
I'm here.
Okay. Rumeisa?
Here.
Salman?
I'm here.
Okay. Vesa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Yovana?
I'm here.
Okay. Arta?
I'm here.
Ardita?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Tringa?
I'm here, teacher.
Bariye?
Here.
Fatih?
Here.
Here. Stephanie?
Here, teacher.
Jonah?
I'm here, teacher.
Amra? Amra?
I'm here.
Okay. Elsa?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Eva?
Here.
Okay. Alexander?
Here.
Here. Anita?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Yusuf? Yusuf? One lesson, yes, one lesson, no. Okay. Did you find something here?
The first one, yes, but in the second one, no.
In the first one angle is given to us that it is congruent.
Yes.
And we know that we have one more congruent angle, yes?
The vertical one.
The vertical ones. So guys, if you can see like this, shape like this, directly we have a congruent angle, this one, because it's vertical. And here it's given that we have one more congruent angle, and with which postulate measure of angle B is congruent to measure of angle E, it's given. And the second one, measure of angle,
Angle ACB is equal to DCBE.
yes, measure of angle DCE, because it's vertical angles. And from AA, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Now how I will write the other triangle? Which one goes with which one? B goes with E.
DEC.
One more time.
DEC.
DEC. Okay. Now how I will write the ratio of
AB over DE.
AB over DE.
BC over EC.
BC over EC.
And AC over DC.
Yes, AC over DC. Now AB is 10, DE is X, BC is 8, EC is 6, and AC is Y, and DC is 7. So firstly, to find X, I will take these two. With the cross product, I will get 8X is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 over 8.
20.
15
Yeah.
over 2.
15 over 2 is the result. Now, for Y, I will take these two and I will get 6Y is equal to 6Y is equal to 50.
6.
So Y is equal to 56 over 6, and with 228 over 3 you
3.
have. Okay? It's okay?
Yes, yes.
In the second one, anyone, did you find something?
Me, no.
I will start now.
Okay.
Teacher, I found some.
Yes, what you found?
BE over BA and BD over BC, because they're in two sides, they are in proportion.
One more time. BE.
BE over BA
BA.
and BD over BC.
BD over BC. Now, why you choose this one, these two sides? We have here, I mean, which theorem you want to use?
Because they're in proportion, sure.
These two, they are in proportion.
SSS.
SSS, but you have to have also the third one, but we don't know the third side.
D.
All of them you have to have in proportion.
DE over AC.
If you're finding two sides that they are in proportion, also you will check the angle between them. So you are taking BE and BA, BE and BA, this angle. It's same for BD, it's same for two triangles, ABC and DBE. Already we have a common angle here, yes? The first,
Yes.
the first, let me do this one. So first point here is that we have a common angle. Measure of angle DBE is congruent to measure of angle ABC because it is a common angle, yes? Now in the second one, we are checking the proportion of the sides that includes this angle. BE is 3, BA is 6, BD is 4, and BC is 8. And as you can see, this is 1/2 for both of them. So we can say that from side angle side theorem, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. How I will write the second one? To get this proportion, AB goes with EB. So EB
BC.
D.
Oh,
Then
yes.
BD goes with BC. Now, when I will write the ratio of the sides, AB with EB is equal to BC with
AC over BD.
yes, BD.
And AC over ED.
AC over ED. Which one we don't know? ED. So I will take these two directly because I don't know X. The others we know. So BC.
4 over 8.
BC
8 over 4.
yes. 8/4 is equal to AC is 5
over
X. So with the cross product, or directly you can write that this one is 2. Okay.
2.5 is the result.
Like this, then you will get X is equal to 5/2 or 2.5. It's okay?
Teacher, in this example, how do we find the sides? I mean, the proportion for the sides.
You will check. For example, here Alexander directly told us, but you will check which one you will get in proportion. Look, here I have 6. Here I have 3. In total, here I have 8. Here I have 4, for example. But again, you will try. You will try with these two sides because the angle between them, we know that it is common, and I have to check these two sides, AB, BC, and BD, BE. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Can I continue to the next one?
Yes, teacher.
Just a second, teacher.
Okay. You're too quiet. I'm not sure if you're understanding.
Teacher, can you go a bit down?
Okay.
Teacher, me and Salman, we are not quiet.
Yes, this lesson also Alexander is very active. In the previous semester, we had Tringa, we have Giovanna talking, but now they started to be quiet. What is?
Teacher, I hate geometry, that's why.
But if you have problem, ask while we are working, you know, then if all of them will collect together all the topics, it will be harder. Okay, now here today we're finishing. We have some more, I have some more questions, and we are finishing the similarity. And the similarity is most like, it seems like most confusing part of the triangles. So as I said, check that exercises, that there is no solution, try to solve them, okay? And check where is your problem. If you want to understand, if you want to not have problem in the exam, from now you need to check if you can solve the questions. If you cannot solve the question, you can send to me privately, ask, okay? If you will need, we can arrange one day another lesson, like extra lesson, to solve that questions. But if you will not inform me for the problems, I cannot guess. For example, now I cannot see the faces of you. Let me check only whose camera is open right now. No one's. So I cannot see you, what you are doing. You're not talking. I cannot understand. So if you are understanding or not, you are very quiet, and I am continuing to explain. No one stops me, and it goes like this. So I don't know, I cannot feel your problem if you have any problem. So please, for yourself, ask if you don't understand, talk in the lesson, try to be active, and solve the part, try to solve them, and check where is the problem. Okay?
Okay.
Now I'm going to the next page. We have another question here, 2 questions. Now, yes, Finga, because you like geometry, I will start with you. Let's hide this question. Now, according to you, till now, if you have understood something, what we'll check in this question first?
Great, teacher, let me see
Every
it.
question, we need to check what is given first in any kind of question. So here it says
That PT and BC are vertical.
PT and B.
Parallel, yeah.
Yes.
We should find X and Y.
We need to find X and Y. In the figure, what is given to us? Some of the sides are given.
Yeah.
Some parts are not given. And we can see that we have, we can see that we have 2 triangles. Tell me only which triangles we have here.
We have triangle APT, I think.
APT.
And ABC.
And a triangle ABC we have. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, according to givens, now we have 3 theorems. We have one theorem, angle postulate, that shows us that 2 triangles are similar. What it says, if we will find 2 angles in both triangles that are congruent to each other, it's enough for us to say that these 2 triangles are similar. To solve these kind of questions, we need to show that these 2 triangles are similar. Then we have the second one, side angle side theorem. What it says in side angle side theorem? Anyone can answer? I'm not asking only triangle.
Common one,
What? One more.
the common angle of.
So we are finding one angle that is congruent to each triangles. And then what is that S there? SAS. Side, angle, side. Also, we need to check if the sides are in proportion. Yes?
Yes.
You know, when you are that much quiet, and because I don't see your faces, I feel that there is no internet. I'm talking with myself and I'm checking all the time internet, you know? Because it happens like the students frozen, no internet, I mean, no electricity, no internet, and I'm continuing here. Now I feel like that. I checked the internet if we are.
Teacher, today our heads don't have internet.
Now here, if it's given that these two sides are parallel, guys, directly from our first knowledge of from geometry, we can say that these angles, this one and this one,
Are congruent.
they are congruent,
And TC.
and this one and this one, that they are congruent, yes? So do I find also we have one common angle here, this one. It's common for both of them.
Teacher, problem with my internet.
No problem, Ivana. So here we found that all the angles are congruent to each other. So for me, it's enough to show that two of the angles are congruent. So I can write that. Time is finishing. I can write that first the measure of angle T is congruent to measure of angle C because they are corresponding angles, and I will take the angle A is common. Okay. Now from angle postulate triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now how I will write the second one? A is common for both of them. I will start with A.
APT.
Hmm?
APT.
APT. Now the sides AB over
AP.
is equal to BC.
BC over PT and B AC over AT.
AT. Now which ones are given? AB. AB is 9 plus 3, which is 12. AP is 9. BC is 8. PT is X. And AC. AC
12 plus Y.
12 plus Y. And 80.
What?
80. 12.
Y. 80?
12, yes.
Yeah, 12.
It's 80. Now, firstly, this is, let me write this one more time. It seems like 9. This is Y. So firstly, I will take these two to solve. I have 12x is equal to 9 times 8.
It's 72.
It's 72. Then x is equal to 72 over 12. 12, I'm saying 16, I'm writing. Oh, great.
It's 6.
It's 6. Is how my mind combined the things. And now here, I will take these two. Now I know x, and I can write 8 over 6 is equal to 12 plus y over 12. Then with the cross product, I will find that 8 times 12 is equal to 6 times 12 plus y, and then you will get 96, I think, is equal to
72 plus 6y.
72 plus 6y. Then 6y is equal to 96 minus 72, which is 6y is equal to
24
24. Then y
is 4.
is 4. So we found x and we found y. It's okay?
Yes.
I hope it is okay. So here, as you can see, we don't have too much time left. Here we are finishing with the similarity. And for the next lesson, I will wait your questions. If you don't have questions, I will start with a new topic, okay?
Again, geometry.
I think that we have one more part from geometry, from the triangles. Let me check one more time not to have. Yes, we have a bit more about triangles. We'll finish triangles, then we'll start again algebra. So one more time,
So
I'm
teacher, we have to use
what? I didn't